Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to use Leonardo AI. First, open your browser like Firefox, Chrome, or any other browser. Search for Leonardo AI websites on the search bar. Open the Leonardo AI website as shown here. You can unleash your creativity with the power of Leonardo AI. You can scroll down to explore different features of the Leonardo AI website. Here, you can see Leonardo's toolkit. You can adjust it according to your choice. Launch the app by clicking on the given option at the top of the screen. Sign up or log in with Google, Apple, or Microsoft. You can simply add an email address and password to log in or sign up. Here, I've chosen the Google option. Choose your Google account and continue it to sign up. After that, it will show you a welcome screen. You can also change your username here. Choose your interests from the provided options. Confirm that you're over 18 and click on Next. It will introduce you to style references. Read it carefully and you can learn more about it. Now click on Let's Get Started and it will open a home screen of your Leonardo AI account. On the left side, there is a table that will show you different options. It will give you 150 coins daily, and these coins will get updated each day. You can manage it by clicking on Manage Shown at the top right of the screen. It will show you different offers and plans by Leonardo AI. When we go back to the home screen, you will see different options on the left side of the screen. In your personal feed, you can see the personal images that you've generated on your own. In AI image generation, you will see generations history, image guidance, and prompt generation. It will also provide different options like motion, real-time canvas, real-time generation, canvas editor, and universal upscale. In the advanced section, you'll be able to see fine-tuned models, training, and datasets, and texture generation. In real-time canvas, you can edit the AI image that you've generated. AI image generation will help you generate your own AI image. On the left side, you can do the settings for your use. The given bar at the top of the screen will let you type your prompt. For demonstration, I'm typing spaceship in water with wings and ship. After that, use 3D animation style as your AI model. Now choose Creative in the next box, and you will also see a negative prompt here. Click on Generate to generate the AI image. After that, you'll be able to see the generated AI picture according to your prompt. This is how you can use Leonardo AI to generate different AI images. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.